So hello guys, welcome to my first video. So in this video we are gonna start Python programming language. So let me give you a quick introduction about Python. Python is a language, like you can say, it's for beginners, because see, if you want to write something in Python, it expresses the least amount of code. For example, if you wanna print anything to the console, so that's our first lecture, printing things to the console. That's the first beginner thing. So let's start up with that. So let's write our print statement. For whatever you have to do, you have to write a print statement to print it to the console, and then this round bracket and this double quote, and then you can write my name is whatever you wish, like you can type in there. Okay, so you can type like my name is Kavya, and then you can just run the script, and then you have seen my name is Kav. Okay, sir. So to understand this a little bit more, you can print anything. Anything that means anything. Like you can print 87. Okay, now you see print my name is 87. You wanna print anything? Print I go. Okay, so then you can print this again. You can print multiple statements. Then you can say I have a little bit of Python. You can definitely say this. Now you know Python. How is it working? So that's it for the video, guys. Meet you in the next video. Hope it's helpful for you.